Put this on a garlic clove, and see what happens. The famous Vicks VapoRub is always used for coughs, headaches, sore throats, nasal congestion, colds, headaches among other uses. But what everyone does not know is that this can be used for many more things. Vicks VapoRub is known as the most popular decongestant and has been used for over 100 years. But it can be used in many ways. Vicks VapoRub and garlic. After applying a little Vicks VapoRub on a cotton ball, you put it in the painful ear. The pain will ease almost instantly. Or, heat a clove of garlic in the microwave for 10 seconds. Then apply a little Vicks on one end of the clove of garlic and put the nail in the painful ear. These are several uses we can give Vicks VapoRub. Repel the mosquitoes. If you want to protect yourself from mosquito bites, simply apply a little Vicks VapoRub on your skin and clothing. Sinus headaches. If you suffer from sinus headaches, this trick will surely help you instantly. Simply apply Vicks under the nose and inhale deeply. Menthol will reduce the pain very quickly. Against acne. Vicks is also able to help you with some skin problems. Apply on the acne several times a day and will soon disappear. Keep insects away. Just rub a little Vicks behind the ears, on the neck, elbows and knees inside. Also, if you want to protect your food from flies when you leave a picnic, open Vicks container. This trick is environmentally friendly as well. No more bruises. Your recent bruise will quickly disappear if a pinch of salt combined with Vicks VapoRub is applied to the affected area.